guys, so today we are going to again see another tutorial of how you can create this amazing crop vector effect. For this, first of all, you need to double click on your project window to import the video clip. For this tutorial I am going to import where is my clips, and this one looks amazing, and we will import it on our timeline. As we can see in this video clip, there is a camera in between the video and we don't like that camera, so we can easily crop it, and I'm going to tell you how you can do it as well. So first of all, you need to come back on your project window and right click here and then go to new item. Then we will create an adjustment layer. So first of all, you cannot change any of these settings, because if you change this size and of width and height, this will affect your frame, so you cannot change this. Okay, so we will also hit OK here, and then we will grab this adjustment layer on our timeline and increase it according to our video. Then we will go back to effect control panel, and here we search for a crop, and this crop effect we drag and drop it on our adjustment layer. Then we will go back to our effect controls, and here we can see the crop factor. So in this section we can see left, top, right and bottom. From wherever you want to crop your video, like if you want to crop it from the left and also from the right, just a little bit like this, you can do that. But that's not we are looking for. We are looking for hiding our camera, so we can use this. I guess somewhere here. Yeah, that's good. We'll check it by playing the video, and if you see, that's working good. So that's how you can create this amazing crop effect. But if you want to animate this effect, you can also hit this toggle key button. When you hit this button, it will create a toggle animation. I hope you know about it. If you don't know, then you can ask me. I will make another tutorial about it. So first of all, it will make an keyframe here. You can see this one. So we will take it to somewhere around on the 15 frames. Yeah, we will take it here, and then we will go back and create another keyframe here. Okay, then we will hit it to 0, reset it, and then we can see by playing the video, it will show the animation of our cropping effect. You can see that, so easy. And you can also animate it a little bit more by putting ease out and ease in, like this. And here you have created an ease out effect in this clip. You can see it's now looking more cinematic. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked that video. If you do like, then hit the like button down below. And also, if you want any other tutorial from me, you can ask me in the comment. I will make another tutorial video for you. And furthermore, you can subscribe to my channel to join my squad. We will learn a lot of new tips and tricks of Adobe Premiere and Adobe After Effects.